Kavaka piece, a piece of pico paper. Yo man, a piece of pico paper.
Yes,
Where is a piece of pico paper? Pico paper. You say you gonna be the first from now forever. All I wanna hear you say is that you love me more. I'm gonna bless a lot, always keeping you all life. Cause it's sometimes your test for the things I've been through. All the times that you heard, make sure I never have. And the smiles that you got is the all I'm looking for. I'm gonna sing to you, cause I wanna see you smile.
Good day, madam. We are from Stacy and Jake.
Yes.
We are here to see Mrs. Ted.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Ted. You are welcome. Inspector, have you found my children?
Not yet, madam.
What do you mean by not yet?
We are here for
So
your
you
help.
mean that until now you have not gotten my children?
We are here for your help. To give us some information. To enable us with the connection you have with these guys.
What do you mean by that? So you mean I have a hand in the kidnapping of my own children? What are you insinuating?
Calm down, okay?
Don't tell me that. Did you hear what she just said?
We'll have to work together with the police for a better result, please.
Don't take it that way, madam. Just calm down. These few months, these guys have been attacking you. We want to know if you've received any threat from anybody. Or maybe have any issue with anyone in the past. So we can start from there to track and investigate.
I don't think I have any issue with anybody. All I want is for you to get my children. Get my children.
Okay, calm down, madam. Please, take your time and check if any of this occurs in the past. Call us if you remember any. And please, stay indoors.
I've heard you.
Have you had anything from those guys asking you for ransom?
No, I have not.
Good. Let us know if they cause. I'll take my leave now.
Thank you. Thank you.
The things she went through to be a real mother.
Anyway, it's like I will take this up on myself. I will get my
Children, do you know what you are doing?
my own means.
The things she went through to be a real mother. The things she went through to be a real mother. I'm gonna bless the Lord, always keeping you alive. Cause you sometimes share tears for the things I've been through. All the troubles that you had, you may show I never have. And the smiles that you got is the all I'm living for. I'm gonna sing to you, cause I wanna see you smile. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
You don't have to play that team, this place yeah. And they kill people now, they don't come and let us even drink water, drug or you understand? So based on one or two of matter, you understand? Me on my own now, I just kind of get confused. I don't kind of know what to like, kind of do like this now. I would think I just say, man, no kind of gather, kind of reason together.
Boss, feel. What you talk there, okay? But some ask you, as we won't go now, what about those kids? Are we going to leave them here and go?
Wait. That you talk to, but me the reason of the other one, see, if you collect ransom for this picking their head, they make some money from the court.
The great? I mean the mad.
What's with that one now?
We are here talking about how to survive. We are here running around, how we take survive. We are here with the reason. They talk about money. What the judge can
Let me tell you guys, you see, we need to survive, And if we have to survive, we need some money. I do not know. So by say do it, I said let's take the ransom.
Guys, just wait.
You don't need money.
Scott, wait. See, look at them. I be woman here, and I know which one I want to do. Me, I don't support them. I don't support them all.
Shut up, B! I'm a day and wait.
Answer mo.
I be said to come up for this place, go another town and it isn't a beans.
Guy, waiting be your own. Waiting they worry you. I be one can give you blue for him.
Hey! Have you all shut up? Yeah? See, so that matter, when I call the name, they call the reason, say, as in, for where I go for brain, when I call, what kind of job my car calls. Because the way that they reason, you know, they jail at all. I ain't been Every time I go they argue some kind nonsense argument. Based on waiting now. See, I don't hear what you are talking, understand? As it stands. Baba, we need that ransom. May I go with my nigga here because on the normal level, see, men are reasoning out with me now. To enter another connect for this connect. Baba, not a salary matter now. You understand? So as it be we'll just make this our last matter before we go. Based on
1 or 2.
Based on.
Asụrụ ekechi oke ịgwa na ama iburu ha n'obi dorikwa n'obi ahawazi ọbara. What I'm saying is it don't happen yesterday when we say we agreed on how to collect money from those children and Mlia based on monetary. But the one I want to talk is say I for suggest Pacho you for talk before you. I for suggest maybe we put this woman on call. Put the papa on call. Use that way, no collect because time no day now. When they learn watch, you got to.
Slide. How you reason? Yeah, so first. Do you know business? Finish. So my cousin.
Confirm now.
Hello? Hello, who is this?
You need not to ask who is this. And you need not to ask how I got your number. Because I got it from your car. Now I have your 2 kids in your car under my custody. If you ever want to see them again, you need to pay a ransom of 20 million naira.
You know.
And let me tell you something. Don't even bother calling this line. Do you understand? And I need that money in 5 days' time. Before then, I'll call you and tell you what next to do. What are we not saying?
Ha! Hello? Hello? Hello?
Auntie, what is it?
I'm feeling good. Come on.
What happened?
Hey, it's sweet.
What is it now? Auntie, talk to us now. Who asked you to pay 20 million? Please talk to us. Who called?
This kidnapper, they just called. They are demanding for 20 million ransom.
20 what?
They get that kind of money from. Where do I go from here?
Auntie, please call Baba immediately. Call him, let's know what to do next instead of crying.
Crying will not solve this problem.
At all.
Never help this situation. Just call your husband now. Put your husband on call. Call him right away. Please. Just take it easy and call your husband. Call your husband immediately. Hello? Honey? Honey, this kidnapper, they just called though. Can you believe they are demanding for 20 million naira?
She went through the beat.
Yes, 20 million. Honey, please do, please do. I can't take this anymore. I can't take this, so please.
A piece of
Please take it easy.
the things
You
she
never
went
expect us to go hard immediately. Please, put them on call. Call them immediately. Call the inspector now, please.
Please, go with them on call, please.
Just call the police people now. Yes.
Auntie, take it easy.
Let just collect something from the rest. Hello, inspector. It's not I'm finished. Yes, it's not the kidnapper. They just called though. Can you imagine? Do you know that they are fighting for 20 million naira? Yes. Okay, please be fast. I'll be waiting for you. Please be fast.
Just take it easy.
You are telling me to calm down? To calm down? I don't understand. You don't understand. If you understand, you should have been calm down. What is happening to you? What have I done to deserve all this?
You just have to calm down. Don't, please.
You will not understand.
Oh, I understand.
And do you know what it means to stay without my kids for days now? Do you know what it means?
I understand.
You understand.
I understand. The police are here to help us.
She went through to be a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
So, officer, what are we going to do now? We're talking about the life of my children here.
I know, sir. They won't harm them. All they need is the money.
Oh, if it is money, I will give them the money. I will give them money if it is money.
Honey, we are not giving them any money.
We will give them the money.
We are not.
What are you talking about? You value money more than the life of our children? What are you talking about?
Okay, even if you want to give them the money, where do you expect to get such amount they are got?
If it has to take me to sell the whole of this house to bring out my children, I will do that. What is money after all? What am I alive for? When some hoodlums will come and pick up my children, they are telling me about money.
It's okay, sir. Madam, it's okay. We don't need to fight. What I want to say is for us to wait for the next call. Then we'll know what to do next.
They are going to call.
Yes, they won't harm them. I assure you that. They won't.
This country. What have I done? What is my offense? That they will come and take my children. Why don't they kidnap me? Let them kidnap me and leave my children alone. What is this country turning to? What is it?
It's okay, sir.
No be two children we carry. What's happened to our big boys?
Boss, we need them on the move now. Boss, no time. No time to check time. I got no here and that's here about. I don't want time over. Chop the here, Pakam. Kaiwa here.
Me if you see this picture, mama don't get worried, very worried. So me the reason if you place her on call. Me she give her the cheese now, no ball out. I beg. Tell me the chop the drink. I say she want that.
I beg. No, me I don't understand. When I matter I tell and say, oh, na mind the play and I say, me on my own, I me know the reason the matter. Me I don't reason the matter. Even use my foresight to scam the matter. But me now, I like confused now, you understand? Me don't even know what to do like this now. Because I go outside the hot. I go say myself, I can't come inside my country. Inside they catch fire. About that I be now. But as I don't reason me, let me place the human call. You understand?
Hello?
Yeah, hello madam. I know you have been expecting my calls.
Yes, I do.
Good. So do you have the money?
Oh, please. I've not gotten the money, but I will get the money soon, please.
Listen, I'm only calling you to let you know that you have 4 days left. Do you understand? 4 days left.
Hello? 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 And he has hung up the phone. What do we do?
When next he calls, let me talk with him so I can talk to him man to man.
Honestly, I'm tired of all this. I'm tired.
It's alright. It's alright. You go and have a nap. You sleep a bit so that. Yeah?
Hello? Hello, Annie. You mean it? Are you in Abuja now? Oh, that's good. Thank God for joining us. But when are you coming back? Next week? No. Only it's too much. 1 week is too much. And you know, this body will be too much for me to carry alone. I need you by my side, Mommy. Okay. Okay, now bye-bye, honey. Take care of yourself. Bye. What do? I need to take actions. What do? Pay this amount? No, I can't pay that money. I know who will help me. I would show this guy that what they know, I know better. Yes. Yeah, who is there? Come in.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. Welcome.
I heard you called.
Yeah, he did.
Okay. When next he calls, tell him you have his money ready, so we can apprehend him without wasting more time.
Okay. I will do that.
I'll take my leave now, madam.
Please, let me entertain you.
That's good. Next time, madam. Okay?
You say so. Alright, bye-bye.
Octopus. Right. This girl's gotta walk me up tonight, man.
Super one. You are the one. Any other one is a counterfeit. See, you make this number one happy. Okay,
that's what it is.
Make me happy. I'm going to cheat for
you. Ice cream, man.
I'm going to cheat for
you. They pushing me high.
I'm going to make everything. Finish me.
Just like dancing.
You can finish me. Nobody.
Octopus.
Who is that? Who is that? Yeah?
Juliet. You're welcome. Yes. Love that. Quite an Juliet. Since you're married, you just delete from the whole system. Nobody see you again.
Look at it now. Now walk. But waiting carry me come here and I pass all those ones.
Waiting carry you.
Look at it, there is problem.
Which kind what they went? Look at it and octopus and the men off a wage. We know they run for Wahala.
Sururu. Sururu.
My kids have been kidnapped.
Kidnapped? By who?
They called him. Yeah, Tito.
Sururu.
That bastard.
Do you know him?
Tito. I know him from way back.
Oh, really?
We had a deal and he double crossed me. Something like that.
Hey!
Don't worry.
Sururu.
I know what to do. You know how to take care of him. regulate. So first and foremost, you don't have to go to the police. Also advise your husband not to go to the police. You guys should keep silent. Octopus and the other guys, the one is yours.
Sururu. Sururu.
Hey, waiting be your own self. Waiting the worry yourself. Look at you.
Stubborn J. Yeah, still that stubborn girl.
I don't like this one.
Let me see that thing.
Point one. Point one. It is still you. It is still you. Point one.
Juliet, I'll call you tomorrow. I'll call you tomorrow, so may I give you updates?
Use my number. Use that number then. And send your account number to me so I can make some transfer.
It is not about money. Let us execute your job, okay?
Boy.
Please, I'm counting on you. Those children are so like.
You are welcome.
Boy. Okay, that.
Juliet, you are still that beautiful girl that you used to be.
I'm not happy, honestly. I'm not happy.
The things she went through.
Sururu.
Sururu. Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka mix, a piece of paper, your man. The things she went through to be a real mother.
So big with the German characters.
Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka mix, a piece of paper, your man. The things she went through to be a real mother. Sometimes she asks for the things I've been through,
Point one
the troubles that you got,
is
the
what
mission
German
I never
characters.
have, and the smiles that you
But
got.
for you,
These are all I'm living for. I'm gonna sing to you because I want to see you smile. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, who is this? Bukati. I'm hearing you. Of course I do. Now, how did you get my number? Bukati, you're not old man now, Bukati, your time don't pass. You understand? Let the young boys do their thing for streets now. Hey Bukati, this is my city. I own this city. Do you understand? Hello? 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 Oh man. Jacqueline. Bukati, you get mind. You get mind, collect my digits. Come they play me scores for phone. They let me know they make a release my own package for you. Hey Bukati.
The things she went through to be a real mother. Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka piece, a piece of pico paper, your man. The things she went through to be a real mother. Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka piece, a piece of pico paper, your man.
Hello?
Things she went
Hello?
through to be
Hello?
a a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka piece, a piece of paper, your man. The things she went through to be a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka piece, a piece of paper, your man. The things she went through to be a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka piece, a piece of paper, your man. The things she went through to be a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Tabaka piece, a piece of paper, your man.
What do I do?
Bloody hell, man. That guy from Bugatti. I saw his face very well. Jack! Jack! Bugatti! Jack! Bugatti! Brother, Bugatti, you've beaten
Done as well.
than you can chew. Bugatti, you've beaten more than you can chew. Jack!
Inspector, please, any news?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Bloody hell, man. Yeah, we got to get that party, you know.
Oh, no, shit! Back, shit! Jack!
What the hell?
Jack! 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 Jack!
Jackie! Tito, I know that face. That guy from Bugatti. I saw his face very well. Jack! Jack!
I don't know which guy did that. It can be someone who might have messed up with.
So, what about my kids?
I don't know. Because they were not at the scene.
I hope my kids are okay.
I have asked your husband if any one of you has hand in this. If you do, it will not be too good for the safety of the case. And also, it is against the law to take part of the law into your hands.
There's no way.
I don't think any of us have a hand in this. Not at all.
Not at all.
Okay then. I will take my leave.
Okay.
Alright. Bye-bye. Please keep on trying your best. Thank you.
Lady J. What's up? I can see a smile all over your face. I actually wanted to give you a call, but I just felt your husband would be home.
It's okay. But the police came to my house today and they were asking questions if I have a hand in the shooter that took away one of the
That's a brilliant one. You know what? I called that boy Tito. He was making fun of me. I decided to give him a shot. You know, I took away one of his boys to teach him a lesson and give him a piece of the cake.
Okay.
So let me just give him a call so that we'll see how we regulate, okay? I'm going to give him an update. Hello, Tito boy. I hope you got my message. You got a piece of the cake I sent to you. By now you know the stuff I'm made up of, okay? Tito boy, Bugatti don't kill people, guns kill people. I never wanted to kill you, just wanted to teach you a lesson, okay? It's all good. That is what it is. You know those kids, they are mine. I'll give you 6 hours. If I don't see them, I'll make you a living hostage. What? That bastard dropped the phone on me.
Okay. Are you sure this is safe for my kids?
The things she went through to be a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. It's about a piece of pico paper. Yo man, the things she went through to be a real mother. 'Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. It's about a piece of pico paper. Yo man, a piece of pico paper. Where is the piece of pico paper? Peter Poker piece. I say you're gonna be the best mom now and forever. All I wanna hear you say is that you love me, mom. I'm gonna bless the Lord for his keeping me alive.
What did they worry there? Where are they? Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Come out! Don't leave! Come on, road! Come on, road! Make I see the man come out to activate them. Hey! Hey! What are your people? Bugatti is an old man now. Because your time don't pass for this schedule now. Why you miss? Why you cross your line now, Bugatti? Why? So we meet again. Of course, now. No the fake. I told you don't know what is coming to you. Look at see, I don't fear you. See, the matter is you don't know what they come to you through. You don't get my swag. Bringing me drama.
Anyhow, yaga. Sururu.
Good man.
You don't know what's coming to you. When I go down, when I
couldn't take it anymore. I couldn't stay alone without my kids. I did what I have to do. Are you not listening? Why are you acting as if you are not?
Madam, the problem is that you took the law into your hands. You of all people. You're supposed to know that. Now, I'm forced to arrest you. You don't know we work. You have been patient. Patient,
you say. Patient. You can't arrest me, of course. You know you can't do that. You can't. I only did what you do, and you know it.
I'm telling you as a friend. Did you get that? Sir.
How are you?
Very well, sir. Sir, Dikeh and Ida have been arrested.
So, where are they now?
They are in the cell, sir.
That's good. So, the law will take its course.
Yes, sir.
You are good. Nice. Good job.
Please, Inspector, do all you can, I beg you. Help me to save my wife. I cannot stand her going to jail. I know she can be stubborn sometimes, but now that the kids are out, they need their mother and their father, especially their mother. Please, help me.
Mr. Ted, I'm not the law. Your wife broke the law by taking the matter of the law into her hands. I am only doing my job as an inspector. It will do me no good for me to allow your wife to go to jail. I am a mother. I have kids. I feel for your kids. If I should allow their mother to go to jail, it will affect the child. But how about my job? I will lose my job.
Yes, but without her intervention, you wouldn't have been able to apprehend these criminals. And if you didn't apprehend criminals, the job would have also gone, the job you are talking about. So please help me. If not for my sake, for the sake of the kids, help me. I will die, oh. Look at it. From kidnapping of my children to getting my wife arrested. I will die, oh.
I'm doing my job. It's just that your wife has connection to Bukati. I've traced them all this while. What I will do, sir, I will adjust my report.
Much pains for days and nights. Nobody even asked for me. Was only mom that did for me. That's why I said with only one. I did this song for you, my mom. Cause you mean the whole world to me. God will bless you, my mom. That's why I
Thank you. I thought your husband didn't have
if you like to or you laugh away, because I wanna make you a real happy mom. With that in my pins and with that in my joy, because
I'm happy. I thank God. I really thank God. Man. Really? Of course. You saluted the good. Yeah, you know so. Hey! Basket! I know you! You know I can do anything for my family. I hope you fight them. Hi God. I thank God. I'm ready for you. So how come they release the Bugatti at this time? I don't know. My sister, I want to give them you see all these things that I'm going to teach you this. I want you to support yourself always back. For the sake of your family. If not that your husband is in Igbo, this case won't
a lot, always keeping you alive. Cause you sometimes share tears for the things I've been through, or the troubles that you had. You may show I never have, and the smiles that you got is all I'm living for. I'm gonna sing you you smile. Let's go, let's go.
My friend, be careful. I am telling you the truth. You're not the only one that will always say the truth. Don't press it out. Honestly, you are a friend in this. My sister, you are the first one to show everything she went through to be. You just say this.
That's why I said the only one. I did this song for you, my mom, cause you mean the whole world to me. God will bless you, my mom. That's why I did this track for you. Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Cause you don't know the things she went through to be a real mother. Yeah, this song goes out to all the mothers in the world. I just want you to know that you're a super mom in the heart of every child. And to my mom, I love you.